What's up, buddy?
How you doing, bud?
Not too bad, man.
Too bad.
What you up to today?
Well, I want to give the truck a nicer look. You know, what they say, polish a turd. So, we're gonna remove the wheels and see what color we're gonna paint them. So, let's start by removing the wheels. Let's start.
Kind of rusty there. Just a little bit.
The battery is low. I'll be back. We removed the tires and we went shopping. We went shopping with no money. So, we got the cheapest sandpaper we can get. A surprise color for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this on the wheels yet. Basic silver. The gloss charcoal that I used to paint the floor in the interior. The same color. Surprise color. Your standard black. Satin Rust-Oleum black. And this is blue? I'm not sure, man. Oh yeah, it's just dark blue. Okay, we're gonna put the colors on the side of each other and see what color combination we're gonna use.
Oh boy.
Yep, this one is a bit rough. A bit rough. So we're gonna sand this one down and paint it. And then paint these and these and do something nice. What you doing now, buddy?
Just gonna get her clear enough for some sanding and paint.
So we're doing some wheel painting over there and we ran out of beer. Here comes Jerry with some beer. Thank God, because it's a hot ass up.
Yes.
They're very hot. So we're doing some painting over there. Not gonna show you just yet. Gonna show you the end product. Like I said before, we're gonna give this truck a complete makeover. Jay, what you doing back there?
I'm getting the old letters out.
Alright. So we're making the logo pop a little more. That company doesn't exist anymore. Just a logo under the door. Seems nice. I like it. Cheap can of Rust-Oleum and some lug nuts. They're gonna stay brand spanking new. Nice. Okay, we're bringing the logo back. It was spray painted over by someone, but we sent it down with a 500. Pretty good, and now we're gonna hit it with a 1000 and then polish it up. So we found a polish from 1991. What we can see, you can see, zoom in, focus. Anyway, it's a liquid crystal thingy majiggy. I don't think they even make this anymore, but we're trying it on the truck. And it's surprisingly giving it a shine. I can see myself in it. Oh my Jesus. It's not that bad, it's not that bad. For saving some money and not painting the truck soon, this is the best we're gonna get. He did that part already. So shiny. Like it. Let's try this because this was spray painted on. So we're gonna do the best we can.
the next day.
How you doing, guys? It's the next day. We are pretty much done with what we wanted to do with the truck. We tried to polish our 15-year-old paint job, and we sanded down the spray paint they did on the door. Somebody down the line before me spray painted the logo, so they spray painted over the logo on the door. The logo is painted in the door, so you cannot remove it easily. They did a spray paint job and it was so ugly, and I sanded it down, removed the spray paint, and then try and polish it up so it matches the truck. And I polished the whole truck up. I painted the wheels, the hubs, the nuts, and I changed the hood because my old hood had a big hole in it. I wonder why. Anyway, that's a hood stack life. I'm not in that life anymore. But let's not keep you waiting anymore. I'm gonna show you right now. I brought my good camera so I can make some nice B-rolls, some nice pictures, so you can enjoy. Okay, boys, thank you for watching. Enjoy.